Hello everyone, so this is the summary of the poem The Chimney Sweeper, published in the volume Songs of Experience and written by William Blake. So these are some of the important points about this poem. This poem was published in the volume Songs of Experience in 1794. In this poem, the poet is critical of the parents of chimney sweepers who force their children to do such a risky work of cleaning the chimneys in order to serve their vested interest, in order to get benefited by their children's labor. The poet is attacking all the cruel and inhuman institutions which are responsible for such a miserable and pathetic situation of children. The government failed to implement Porter's Act, which was to protect the rights of these children and which prohibited their employment until they were of 8 years old. So, this is the text of the poem. So, the poem starts with the mention of a little black boy whose body is covered in soot. Soot is the black substance which is left by smoke. So, when they clean the chimneys, their bodies get covered in this black substance which is called soot. So, this little boy who is standing in the snow and is crying, "Weep, weep." So, this boy is so young, he can hardly pronounce the word sweep, and that's why he is calling sweep as weep. So, this shows the heartless attitude of his parents who have sold him to chimney sweeps at such a young age when he is supposed to go to school and play. So it's at such a young age he is being sold to the chimney sweeps and to do such a risky job which might even take his life. So he is singing the song of misery. Notes of woe means he is singing the song of misery. And he said, "Where are thy father and mother?" So when he is being asked by somebody that where his parents have gone, so he replies by saying that they have gone to the church to pray. So this shows the hypocrisy of his parents, that on the one hand they are going to church and they are praying to God, on the other hand they are doing injustice to their own child by making him work at such a young age and to get money out of his labor. Now these are the next lines. "Because I was happy upon the heath, and smiled among the winter snow, they clothed me in the clothes of death, and taught me to sing the notes of woe." Now child says, or it seems as if child is aware that his parents are responsible for his poor and pathetic situation, and that's why he says that this is the natural tendency of the children to be happy, to smile, okay, in the snowy winter. Okay, heath is the vast and open land. So when child is happy, okay, when he's smiling, okay, they have clothed me in the clothes of death. So now he is calling his suit as a funeral cloth, because he is doing such a risky work that he might die, and at that time so many young children died by doing such a risky job, because they had to remove all of their clothes and they had to get into those chimneys, okay, and those chimneys were so narrow and they got suffocated and some of them even died. So that's why he says that this suit is the cloth of death. And who is responsible for this? His parents are responsible for this, and his parents are responsible for his poor and miserable condition. Come to the next lines. "And because I am happy and dance and sing, they think they have done me no injury." So this is the natural tendency of this, of the children, to be happy, to dance, to sing, and to keep smiling. So his parents think that they haven't done any harm to him, okay, they haven't done any wrong to him, and are going to praise God and his priest and king. So here child is critical of God, priest, and king. Okay, God here symbolizes church. So this child knows that these institutions are responsible for his a poor and pathetic situation, and they are enjoying the fruits of his labor. They are getting benefited from the work he does. So that's why he is being critical of all of these institutions. Okay, so this is the poem.